Hi folks, in this video I'd like to show you or demonstrate how to update the social icons when using the Font Awesome social icons. Right. So let's take a quick look here and we'll show you how to remove icons, change icons, and add more. To tell if you have the Font Awesome icons, basically what we'll do is we'll open up the library folder and we'll open up the shared folder here and the social icons library page. Just flip it over to design view for a sec. If you see something like this where you have no actual physical image to look at in the design mode or design window, then you're using the Font Awesome icons. And the easier way to tell is flip it over to code view, and as soon as you see something like an iClass with Facebook or Twitter or Google, then you know you're in the right place. Okay, now to remove an icon, really quite simple. It's just like removing any bullet list item. Find the one you don't want, for example Google. I like to click over here in the blue bar and just delete. And that's it. Just delete the entire line. Now to add more icons, all you do is copy an existing line, copy, and we'll just do an edit and a copy, and just put your cursor wherever you want that icon to go, and edit and paste, or Control C, Control V, or your favorite method. So basically we're just going to create or copy an existing line, and then we're going to update it. Right? So let's say we want to add 3 more icons. We'll just paste it in there 3 more times. Now the next step is to pull up a web browser, and we're going to go to Google and type in Font Awesome. And after you actually load the website up, you can bookmark it at that point in time. But we're going to pull up the fontawesome.github website right here, the very first one that shows up. There we go. Now what we can do is we can just click on the Icons tab, and we can scroll on down a little bit here, and you can spend the next 2 or 3 hours running through all the different icons they have. No, it won't take that long. It only takes a few minutes. If you just use your browser, do a Control F on your browser and type in Google, for example, it'll take you to every iteration of Google in there. You know, there's a Google Wallet, there's Google, Google Plus, right? So there's different ways to search for icons within the page itself. Let's say, for example, we want to use the Pinterest square icon as one of our social icons. We're just going to click on that icon and bring up the information page. And all we want to do is copy this information right here in red between the quotes. So we want to copy the FA, then the FA, the Pinterest, and the square. Everything between the quotes. Copy it. Go back to your editor, and to update the actual icon itself, we'll start with this one up here, where we see the iClass equals, and then the quote right here. Just that information. Paste your new icon right over top. Okay, just like that. I'm just going to push these out a little bit so everything's not so crowded. Just click and hit my tab key a few times to give myself a little bit of room to work with. Right, then I'll continue on and make the rest of the icon updates. And when I'm done that, I would go over here and actually update the link. And now you can link your icon to any page you want. You can link it to the Pinterest site, your Pinterest account, any web page. That's totally up to you. But changing the icon, that's how you go about it. Now when you look over here and you see the, if you see something like an FA 2x, 1x, 3x, that is just a little extra class that helps determine the size of the icon. You can play around with them. You can do 1x, 2x, 3x, or 4x, I believe. But generally we use whatever we use in there, we design that so it would fit nicely into the template. And this little, if you ever see an FAFW, that just means that it's each icon will be the same width. Because if you don't have that, the icon will display at its own width. Some are wider than others. Okay.